I'd like to ask for an update, please, from the Cabinet Secretary for Health and Social Care on action to prevent cervical cancer. Cervical cancer remains the most common cancer among young women and people with a cervix under the age of 35 in Wales. Yet, despite repeated calls from Plaid Cymru and cancer charities to roll out HPV self-screening kits, a proven method of screening that over half of eligible individuals prefer to the traditional smear test, we've seen no plans announced. We know that HPV is responsible for over 99% of cervical cancer cases, and we know that early detection through screening can reduce that risk by up to 70%. Last year, a successful pilot in Hywel Dda Health Board showed that HPV self-sampling can significantly improve uptake. Today, we've heard the Health and Social Care Secretary in England announce individuals who've delayed coming forward for screening will now be offered the option to test at home. Cervical cancer is preventable, and Wales now has the opportunity to make sure that we catch up with England on this. So can we hear from the Cabinet Secretary what steps the Welsh Government is taking to introduce HPV self-sampling kits?
I will ask the Cabinet Secretary and the Minister for Mental Health and Wellbeing to respond, to update us on where Wales is in relation to the outcome of the pilot, which was undertaken by Hywel Dda, and then the new announcements and developments are coming through, as you said today, from the UK Government. So I will ask for that response and to be shared with the Senedd.